Chris, come talk to him. Dylan. Where's Daddy?
Hey.
Uh-oh. Where's Daddy?
Hey.
He's not back there.
Hey. I found you. Where were you? Where were you? What? Where were you?
He's like, get me out of this thing.
You like that thing? You can arch your back. What?
What time are you leaving, sweetie?
Right now.
Okay. What time is it?
6:45.
Oh. A good girl. I got you a monster. I forgot to put it in the fridge. Hi. Hi. Mama. You say mama? Dylan. Num 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 num. Say mama. Mama.